We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment 6B. We're on floor 6 of this 9-floor building. If you've seen the building overview videos, you know that we've entered from floor 4. So we're actually just 2 floors above the lobby level. We are on the east side of the building, right over the lobby. Let's go on into the apartment. You can see our living space here. We've got a dining table and chairs. There's a TV on the wall over here. There's some seating areas and tables. This is a nice wide open living room space here. You can see there's a lot of room and good potential to move furniture around within some different areas, or even maybe bring in some of your own personal items. There's an air conditioner that is under the window over there, so that is for the living room area. Let's take a look at the bathroom, which is over on our right. We've already walked past it. I'm sorry, on our left. The blue door is the door we came in, so here's the bathroom. It is the full bathroom. This is the bathroom for the apartment. So we have that tub shower with a sliding door. We have the vanity that opens underneath. You've got the toilet, a nice large mirror, and some towel bars in here. So that's the bathroom for the apartment. Let's take a look in the kitchen, and then we'll see the bedrooms. This is one of the renovated kitchens. These B apartments all have the renovated kitchens, which is nice. So we have the updated appliances in here. You can see the stove, the electric stove, the elevated microwave that's over the sink. There's the dishwasher and some good cabinet space and that nice refrigerator. And let's take a look right over here. This is a unique feature in this B line of apartments. We have this extra kitchen pantry, which is really great for kitchen items or other storage here in the apartment. Let's take a look at the 4 bedrooms. We have 2 on each side. Let's go into room 1 first. So this is just next to the bathroom, past the bathroom. So here's room 1. It has a unique window layout. It's sort of an inverted L shape. We're here on the east side of the building, so we're looking up Dryden Road. You can see up Dryden Road there, the blue right in front of you that you can see down in front is the front of our rental office. So you can see that we're close by. Here's the bed, the bookshelf. You can see the dresser, the desk and chair. The closet is over here behind the door. We'll peek at that real quick as we go through to the next room. They will all have about the same size and style of closet. So that's room 1. Let's go over and see room 2. Room 2 has a unique feature. It has 4 wraparound windows here. So this is definitely the brightest of the apartments within the brightest room within the apartment. I would move that bookshelf and place it over here against the wall. So maybe trade that dresser and bookshelf out, swap those spaces so you can take advantage of all the windows in here. I like how the bed is in this little nook over here. That's a great setup. And one more closet. Of course, the same. And this one, you can also get a little bit of a view to the south over there. And again, looking up Dryden Road, the blue is our office. And that's east facing, going up Dryden Road. The corner is the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block to campus. And you can take a look. There's the desk and the dresser in here. All of these rooms will have a deadbolt lock. You can see that on here. There's also a deadbolt lock on the apartment door. And you enter the building with a key tag or fob that will unlock the main door of the building. Let's go back through the kitchen to rooms 3 and 4. So here's room 3. This is directly across from the kitchen, and we'll go into here. And again, same furniture. And we're also on Dryden Road. So the rooms are very similar in style. The difference would be the placement within the apartment and the windows. Again, that room B will have the second room, room 2 will have the most windows. And one more room. We're here at the end of the kitchen and we're going to go into room 4. So room 4 kitchen, or room 4, we have the room here. Again, we're on Dryden Road. So you can see up Dryden Road towards Central Collegetown. I think we've got some nice space in this room here. You can bring in your own additional furniture items that you like, but the rooms are all furnished with the full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and bookshelf. So again, as we go back through the kitchen, this is a look at apartment 6B. We have this same layout or model of apartment on floors 6, 7, 8, and 9 here within the building. This building again is Collegetown Plaza. We're located right in central Collegetown at 111 Dryden Road, and we're just one block from campus.